So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to record yourself. So you are going to record yourself, your first video after today's video. So you just sit yourself down and let's go into the video. There are two versions of video that people normally watch. The one that you're watching right now is called landscape. I think 16:9. The one that you are watching on TikTok, on Instagram, the one that is portrait is called view. So that one is, I think, 9:16. So if I break my second phone now and I want to shoot a video of landscape, that the one that you are very watching now, this is how the camera is going to look like to me. All right, so you just have to get your tripod, or you find someone that will help you to hold the phone, and this is how the person is going to hold it. Okay, it's going to hold it like this and make sure that your head is not more than, it's not higher than the phone. So this place and this place will be inside the phone, so your body will not step out of the phone, so this thing will not cut out. Okay, so it will take it like this and it will start recording by pressing the red button on your camera. So after that one, you can talk whatever you want to talk and then do whatever you want to do, and the person that help you hold it will keep holding the phone for you. So if you want to do that one and you do that one finish, so the next one is portrait. Maybe you want to create a reel, so this is how your phone will look like. You will take it like this, portrait. Okay, so they will record you directly, not that they are going to bend it. So once you bend it like this, it become landscape. But when you make it straight like this is what you call portrait. 9:16. So you can see how this thing works. So you just click on it and you start talking whatever you want to be talking, and make sure that everything you are doing is within the aspect rate of the camera. So you are not running out of the camera, your head is not higher than the camera. You can see where my own is now. You can just set yourself this way and make sure that this side is not too big and this side is not too big, and everywhere look smooth. So your own can reach your chest, no problem. You can move forward small, you can shift this thing back, so you can even do your own to reach your waist. There's no problem. But for better view, it is very okay like this, or your chest come down a little bit for a landscape video. But for a portrait, sometimes it reach your waist, or your below your chest. So that is how this thing actually makes. So now that you are learning how to position and record yourself, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and subscribe. And before you go, let me tell you a secret that most creators will never tell you. You need the confidence. You need to summon courage to stay here and start talking. Actually, it is not easy to be talking to yourself. Sometimes I do, am I mad? Or what is happening to me? This is why I get to follow myself talk. But it's totally fine. That is what we mean by content creating. So you make sure you are focused, your eyes is in the camera, not yourself. Okay, just make sure your eyes in the camera, and then don't focus on how you display. Just focus on the information that your video is passing to other, and that is how you can create your own video. And I want you to go right now to go and create your first video. Firstly, before you start recording any video, I believe you will have your title, because that's the first thing. You must understand what you want to create content on, what you want to be talking about before you set your camera. So normally people write their own in book. They write the title of what they want to talk about, and they write the script. The script is what you are talking about in the video. So normally you can see this is my own. This is my own. Normally, I use book to write it down, but since I bought my iPad, I started using my iPad to be jotting my script down. So I will write my title of what I want to create content on, and I will start writing that thing, that inspiration, as it's coming on my head. I started typing it down. So as I'm typing it down, and I type it to the point that I am satisfied, that is when I'll put full stop. At the end of every of your video, don't forget one thing that you should always do. That is call to action. So you can always see at the end of my video, I always tell you, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe. That is what you call to action. You are calling those who are watching your video to do something specifically for you. So if it is on Facebook, you will call them to follow. If it's on Instagram, call them to follow. If it is on YouTube, you call them to subscribe. On TikTok, call them to follow. So you call out to them. That's what you call to action. So you call them to take a particular step. Instead of to comment, to like your video, to share it, you are the one that will tell them, okay, don't forget to like, don't forget to share the video, don't forget to share it with 2 people, 3 people. So you are the one that will tell them. Now let me break this down for you. At the first of your video, the most important part of your video is the first 5 to 6 seconds of that video, because that is one of the things that people are going to stay. Your first 30 seconds of your video must be something that will hook someone down, okay, that someone wants to be hear about again. Some creators use curiosity. They are going to say something that will make you wanted to hear what they are going to say next, and you are going to stay there until they actually made that statement. And sometimes someone will tell you that the most important part of this thing, is at the end of the video, okay, and you're going to wait till that part of the video came before you actually go. So that is what we call hook. So hook is basically what you use to tie people, to make people continue watching your video. What I want to talk about is delivering. How you deliver your video is actually matter, because we can be saying the same thing, but we can actually deliver differently. So now let me show you the real power of delivery, and let me show you the one that people are actually going to watch. So I'm just going to make a statement in 3 category, okay, in 3 delivery. I'm going to say, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to record yourself. So I'm going to say this in a 3 step. So let me start with 1. Come back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can start recording yourself. So you can see that one, how that one sound. It sounds like someone that I can't even believe. And here is another one. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can record yourself and post it online. You can see that this one that I talk now is very different from the first one, okay? It's totally different. So let me give you the last version of it. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can record yourself and then post it online. So you can see this thing that the category is different, the delivery is different, the voice, the pitch, everything about the 3 video is different. So how you position yourself matter, your confidence matter, and your delivery also matter. So the first person will always have a scroll pass. Someone will scroll pass because that one is too slow and there's no energy in the video. The second person will actually have more views than the first person. But the last person, you can see the way he delivers his video is totally different from the 2. The voice, the pitch, how he go up, come down, and how he break through the atmosphere is totally different. This is what we call professional recording. Now you have mastered this. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and as always, my name is Mike. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.